Giving you my best and master my art. It's my word.
Second floor.
I be down with you guys. I be down with you guys forever, forever. Every Monday I wake up and say I will be the best before Wednesday. I'm the one who can do it this way. I will let you know when I get in. Unfinished joint in the ashtray. In my lap cooking the hot shit. I'm not only assuming that I'm great, I will make it real. Cause I fight for my little one.
Binabaon na natin to ng mga expansion bolt, tsaka natin nini-welding dito sa may posting nilagay natin. Ang ginamit natin dito ay C-Purlins 2x3 and 2x4 at yung pipe natin na 2 inches schedule 40. For now, hanggang dyan muna mga kabersatil. Salamat po sa panonood at pagtapos ng bidyong ito. Maraming salamat po mga kabersatil.